to one of the most useful videos you're ever gonna watch. Today's video is all about maximizing your closet. Outfit ideas where you can take basics that you already own and wear them all sorts of ways that you haven't thought about. And this is gonna be so great for summer because we're gonna be able to take care of vacation and date night and work and errands and life and just all of the things with a few simple pieces that you can wear many different ways. If this is your first video, first of all, hi, welcome. I'm so glad that you found me. This is the DIY designer. My name is Orly. I'm really obsessed with all things one of a kind. So I love DIY fashion, I love DIY home decor, and I really love styling videos like this that allow you to really think outside the box so you can get a lot more bang for your buck for every single piece that you own. The three basics that I'm gonna use today as sort of our building blocks from which we're gonna create all of the outfits are three really great silk basics. I'm gonna do a silk button-down shirt, a silk camisole tank, a silk tank dress. These are three super versatile pieces. All of these are from Lily Silk, and the reason that I'm gonna suggest Lily Silk to you is because it is a zero waste company. All the remnants, anything that doesn't get used in the making of the shirts, the pants, the clothes, the dresses, all of the cool products, then get recycled into eye masks and scrunchies and smaller accessories and pieces. Another reason that I think Lily Silk is great is that they use mulberry trees to create their silk. It's 100% silk, no synthetic fibers, but mulberry trees use less water than cotton. So as far as production is concerned, they're just being sort of eco-conscious. And so the quality of the products are beautiful and breathable and sexy and silky and awesome, but the way that they actually produce them is something that's kind of thinking about the future, which I really love. Now for all the outfits that I'm gonna do with each of these pieces, of course you can do anything that's in your closet that's not silk. You can totally swap these looks. I would say though that silk is a great option as we go into the summer months because it's so breathable, and silk actually like regulates your body temperature, which is a really cool thing when we're gonna be out in sort of temperatures that are really hot during the day and then drop down sometimes in the evening. I'm very excited. Let's get into it. So here's the way that we're gonna create these outfits in order to maximize all of the items in your closet. You're gonna divide it into two categories, daytime and nighttime. Within daytime, I want you to think about work, I want you to think about errands, and I want you to think about a lunch date. And then for nighttime, I would do, if possible, like an evening event, and then like a date night or a girls' night. Those are the 5 ways that I am going to attempt to make every single piece of clothing transform. I am obsessed with this dress. To me, it's like the most flattering, perfect, always in style, forever classic, totally transformable black dress. So I'm just gonna do a simple pair of black heels. Now, this is just a little leather sort of double-breasted blazer. I'm just gonna put on this guy, and I'm gonna put the little doodad in the back. There's a couple ways I could do it. I could leave it like this, which actually looks really nice, and it just sort of gives another little element, another texture. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blouse it. And just a simple chain. The belt disappears. It just sort of allows me to control the length. So now it's right at the knee. It also kind of does give the effect that this is like a blouse and a skirt, which I think feels more work appropriate than just like a silk dress. Push up the sleeves, a little simple necklace. These are like sensible heels. I mean, I feel like I should be holding a briefcase and like being a lawyer. Black dress you're gonna wear as a black dress. You can also wear a black dress as a shirt. So I'm gonna take my skirt, you guys remember this one, this is a DIY wrap skirt that I made. I absolutely love it. And we're just gonna wear it over. You're gonna see just a teeny bit there. So if I want, I can blouse it out, which is going to get rid of that, right? That is like the perfect black tank top. Now I get to decide on some fun accessories. I'm gonna do my little giving keys. Do you guys know the giving keys? I went to high school with Caitlin. She is the creator of it and an amazing person. Tell me that's not a great look. It doesn't look at all like it's a dress. It feels great on because I've got kind of that double layer, which feels wonderful. The fit of this particular Lily Silk dress is just so tremendously flattering. And the way that the silk sort of sheens, I love. But again, any dress that you have that is, I'd say, midi length or shorter can double as a dress. I'm gonna wear, I just got these platform chucks. I got them in lavender and white. I'm gonna throw them on without socks for right now. Now, let's see how we wanna complete this. I haven't planned this outfit out, so I'm just gonna try a couple of things. It's kind of cool. I like that. I do think that's fun. And you know what, even this necklace just works. Tying it around the waist, this is something you can do with any lightweight jacket or button-down shirt that you own. It acts as a belt. I can pull it really tight and it sort of accentuates my waist just like a belt would do. I'm gonna go grab a hat. I feel cool. I feel like a cool mom. I'm gonna use, this is my petite crown strap. This is the one that I put on my phone a lot of the time because it's a little bit smaller, but on a fanny pack is really cool. And this, what I do like about this strap is that because it sparkles so intensely, it actually kind of ties in with the white sneakers that I have. You can do your hat backwards. You could just do this. This is an easy errand running kind of an outfit. Wearing this in the front, it's pretty cool. Just like we turned it into a shirt, we're gonna turn it into a skirt. And that's another one. Again, the same sneakers work. Obviously, I could swap them for something different. Any dress that you have can become a shirt, can become a skirt, can be a dress, can be belted to look like a top and a skirt. So many options. I want you guys to walk into your closet right now and see what you have. Although I'm not gonna stop recommending this black dress because it's so good. I took off the gray shirt and I just have the necklace and the dress on. Now, I mean, and you're done, right? This is all you need, a simple dress. Again, the fact that it's cut on the bias is gonna make this really flattering for pretty much every body type because it's going to expand where it's needed and shrink where it doesn't. So you're really gonna be able to show your shape. Date night, I probably flip to the side, but that's really great, I gotta say. What I'm gonna do is wear my new belt. I made this belt. I'm gonna put them up on my site soon. Doing the same, but in like a choker, so it sits up high. You know what? I am making purses. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have now, like, I came up with all of my own weaves and belts and necklaces and all sorts of pieces, and I developed a purse. I'm making them as we speak, and they'll probably be available in a month or two, but you know what? It would go so perfectly with this. I'm gonna go get it. Oh, I'm sorry. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? Tell me I'm not ready for like a gala red carpet event. I mean, stop it. Simple black dress, swap out the accessories, swap out the shoes, and you have transformed from errands to lunch to work to date night to red carpet. I wish you could feel how heavy this is. You know the deal. It never quite sparkles on camera the way it is in person, but man. She's a beaut. It takes forever to make, but it is so special. I am going to turn this into a short skirt. This is my DIY belt. You guys know this one. I wear this all the time. I am going to only take the outer layer and I'm gonna fully turn it into a short skirt. And the reason that I need the slip is because remember, this has a side slit. I would be fully open. This is our cream silk shirt that we're gonna do next. I could wear this open and this could just kind of be like a cool jacket. The silk on silk looks really good. I mean, it just looks really expensive, again, because of that sheen. I know I've said it, I'll say it again. You guys can do this with any black dress and any shirt, but there is something extra luxe and like summer classic cool about the silk. You could also take this and tie it around the waist. All of the different outfits that we did can all be done short. Don't I look like I belong in Greece or Mexico, or I throw this over my bathing suit and I go get a cocktail? Oh, I wanna go on vacation. Now, I just have a pair of sort of like black, they're slightly drop crotch. I love these pants. Again, I'll just do these. These are just like sort of simple black heels. I'm gonna do the same thing where I just put a necklace on. There are a million ways that we could style this particular ensemble. I can have it kind of slouchy, tucked in just like this, leave the back out, which I always think is a super flattering effect because from the front, you can see it kind of creates this line. I could throw on a blazer. I always like pulling a little bit of the sleeve if it's a different color out. I just think it looks kind of cool. This is like option one, outfit one. I look fully put together. I look like I could work pretty much anywhere. Again, I'm going for more conservative type of work looks. Obviously, some of you can wear jeans and a t-shirt to work, but I'm trying to show you the versatility. You could do something kind of major like this. But look at how much that transforms. Like same shirt, same pants, just a completely different vibe. And you can see, like, look at all the, it's like buttery ripples of silky sheen. Ugh, it's so pretty. Because it's so slinky, it really does drape beautifully. So when you do that half tuck, the fabric on the sides really falls in a super flattering way. Whereas if you have like a more crisp men's shirt, it's gonna be a little bit stiffer. So that is one thing to think about. With these jeans, I could do sneakers, I could do flats. I think I'm just gonna do nude pumps because they pretty much just give me height, but they'll disappear. Leave it unbuttoned, but untucked so that when you walk, when you walk and the wind sort of blows it, you get this effect. We could obviously tie, done, boom, boom. Let's say I want to do a hat. As soon as I'm done filming, this is what I'm gonna wear today. I could wear my fanny, drape it over the shoulder. This shirt is just delicious. And instead of wearing our shirt like a shirt, we're gonna wear our shirt like a jacket. And here we go. I mean, frankly, I could go to like Stagecoach or something in this. It's really about wearing this like a jacket, which is a whole other set of options and so cool. You could layer a jacket over it. This with jeans, like floor jeans. Long jeans would actually be super cute. You can throw it over a graphic tee. It doesn't need to be something that's fancy. It can be something that's like grungy, and I think that the sheen of the silk actually creates a really interesting effect. Sneakers, flip-flops, chucks, wear a hat, don't wear a hat, fanny pack, backpack, whatever you want. I am gonna wear a pair of leather pants. We're gonna tuck this all the way in because these pants are super tight, so it's gonna give me a nice waist. Let's button. Again, I'd probably do a black lace bra that is meant to be seen. We're gonna pull this out in the back just because I always think it looks really pretty, sort of bloused in the back. I think a bit of a neck party would be fun. These are a bunch of different necklaces, so I'm gonna carefully lay these down. I am not much of a cape jacket wearer. I do feel like sometimes it really completes an outfit, but I just feel foolish when I do it. Like I feel like I look like I'm trying to be too like fashiony, but it's always a good look. You know what I mean? Like it always drapes really cool, but I would most likely, you know, actually wear it. I mean, this is the kind of thing you could wear to like any restaurant. For the breathability of the silk, like in a restaurant, lots of people, it's gonna keep you feeling really cool. The pants, on the other hand, you're gonna sweat your butt off in, but the shirt will keep you cool. Cool on top, sweaty on the bottom. My husband likes my hair down, so date night is pretty much always hair down. We're doing fancy schmancy, and I'm gonna do my little crystal necklace again. For this, I would actually do, this is like an old thrifted necklace that I got. Is that what I want? Yeah, I think that's really pretty. I found this at a thrift store for like $3. Yet again, I'm ready for a red carpet. I'm ready for a gala. I'm ready for any party. There's just so many options. Each item, and especially great basics, they are building blocks that everything else in your closet can transform. So this skirt and this necklace transforms the very same shirt that I wore with a pair of ripped up shredded shorts and a tank top. It's the same piece, but I make it look like it's 5, 10, 15 different pieces, and therefore I can buy less. Right? So just really start to look at your closet with some more of an open mind and some flexibility. I love this. Okay, it's time for the tank. This is just a simple black silk cami. I love it. It's got this little lace detail, which is really great, and it's on the front and the back, which I really like. You need one of these. If you don't have one of these, it's just a piece you're always gonna wear. It's like a really good layering piece. This was kind of something I was thinking could work for work. Now let's say we want a jacket. Let's see, do we like the leather? You know what, I think I might try this skirt. This feels more like something I'd actually be excited to wear to work or a meeting. For my own self and my own personal style, I'd want to funk it up with the shoes, so I do think I would put on those thigh-high boots. I could even do something like this. It totally transforms it when you're just seeing like a black boot. It's very different. This is a little bit more like feminine, elegant, classic. This has a little bit more edge, sexy, funky. So again, depends on your style, but this is a great option for work. Just a really great midi length skirt and a top like this. Yeah, I like it. These are H&M jeans that I bought that I released the hem on. I have a whole video on a bunch of different ways that you can do your hem, whether you want to shred them or angle them or fringe them or cut them or hem them or make them longer. But just a simple little belt would really kind of finish this off. I could do some jewelry. I could leave it blank. Again, just the simplest of changes. Totally changes the look, right? This is a completely different look than with this hat. Up to you which one feels more you. I could use a little sparkle. I can always use a little sparkle. Do a little braid. Lunch date, meeting friends, great for vacation. Maybe not heels for vacation, maybe some comfy sneakers or flats, but comes together, does it not? You guys know I'm obsessed with these pants. These are ones that I DIY'd. I did them like live on Instagram. I've been doing that on my stories lately. So make sure to follow if you aren't doing that, because I just do like live DIYs randomly. One of these two is gonna be really great. And again, it just depends on where you're going. It's a really, really great tank. It's gonna work with everything. You're gonna be able to layer it a million ways. And it really is about taking the piece of clothing, knowing where you're going, and then looking at your closet and figuring out what are the other elements that you would need in order to transform this top into something that works for errands, for lunch, for date night, for evening. Frickin' date night. I put on a little mesh shirt underneath this, which totally transforms the look. So it's just like a little mini skirt. I've had this forever. It's like basically a skirt that I wear as a slip when I need a little coverage under something. But I thought the silk on silk looks almost like this is a dress. Like, couldn't you see this being like a one-piece dress? Some fun fringy earrings. These are my fave. These are from Danny Joe. I've had these probably for 6 years and I love them. But this is a great little sitch if I really wanted to go overboard. I could do my little guy. I can't wait till this is available. I want to wear it every day. I'm so excited. Last but not least, we have our evening look. If you were going to an event, either close this and just let the camisole do sort of what we normally think of camisoles to do, which is provide like a little layer underneath. This with the lace looks so beautiful, right? Now I have something kind of crazy that I know most people wouldn't wear. I think it is pretty darn cool. But for now, I'll just show this as at least one option because it is really cool. Now let's say for the average person who's not super inclined to wear a harness, thrifted jewelry that I have, I love layering these two together. This is the one that we wore earlier, and then this is just a long one. It goes right over this. And if I was actually wearing this to an event, I would put a little double stick so that that actually stays in place. This sort of delicate little detail that just shines through. It's just a layer underneath. Wouldn't wear it to a wedding because it's white, but you could do all black to a wedding for sure. All right, listen, I think I gotta call it quits or I'm gonna be stuck in this room all day because there are so many more outfits. But my goal here was to open up your mind. What I want you to do is open your closet, grab a piece of clothing and just give it a destination. Where are we going? And challenge each piece in your closet to transform for every given location. That's really how you can get so much more out of the investment you already made in your clothing. So I hope that this was helpful. And if you guys wanna get your hands on some really great quality, eco-conscious, zero waste, amazing silk clothes, visit Lily Silk. I will put the links down below. I have 2 coupon codes for you. I've got Orly 12, which is gonna take 12% off everything. And then I have Orly 25, which will take 25% off like selected items. But if you just look into the description, I will have the link, the code, plus the links for these pieces, which you know I really, really recommend. They are just so good and cozy and breathable and great for summer. I hope that you guys loved this video. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to the channel. I do new videos every week and I'd love to have you here. Make sure you all have your notifications turned on too so that you know when I have a new video. Okay, I'm gonna call it quits. I will see you guys next week. Have a beautiful week. Mwah!